Hello students, this is for class 10 CBSE exercise 5.2 question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. So let the first AP small a, second A. அதனுடைய 100th term the difference between the 100th term is 100. The difference between 100th term is 100. First AP 100th term, second AP 100th term, அதனுடைய difference 100. Apply the formula. Remove the bracket, you are getting capital small a minus capital A equal to 100. Mark it as 1. We want to find what is the difference between 1000th term of first AP, 1000th term of second AP. You want to find formula. Remove the bracket. This will be getting cancelled. Small a minus capital A. From 1 the answer is 100. So the difference is 100.